How to enable or disable spatial audio on Google Pixel phone. First, go to Settings, click on Settings, then go to Sound and Vibration, then scroll down. You will see Spatial Audio, click on it, and then over here you can turn it on or turn it off. Now with the spatial audio turned on, your movies and videos will sound more immersed all around you, especially when you're wearing headphones. Now if you had it turned off, the audio will sound more like the normal standard version, where it doesn't sound like it's coming from the surrounding areas. It doesn't sound like it's coming from around you basically. It's just gonna sound like it's coming directly from the left and right. But that's pretty much it for spatial audio. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.